this is Stacy from Let's Cook Y'all. Welcome back to our channel. We're back with a new week of What's for Dinner. We had a big celebration in our house this week and some more delicious meals. Hope you enjoy this week's video.
It's that time of the year again. You know what time of the year it is?
You get a steak 2 times a year. Birthday and anniversary.
And it's not my birthday.
Does that mean it's your anniversary?
So it means it must be my anniversary.
Is it my anniversary?
Is it? Well, happy anniversary to you. What did you get for your anniversary?
A mattress.
Oh, wow.
I'm excited.
What kind of food did you get for your anniversary?
A salmon fillet that I'll fix in a minute that you're going to grill.
Now let's take a look at the salmon fillet. That is fishy.
It smells fishy, but it's supposed to, isn't it?
I hope so. It's fish. A little salt, a little pepper, a little olive oil.
And then the grill master takes over and fixes my food for me. How big is that steak?
Just right.
I think it's over a pound.
I hope it is.
Ay, ay, ay. Monday night, Tim has worked his magic for our anniversary. He grilled himself this very large bone-in ribeye. I sauteed him some mushrooms. He did my salmon fillet. I have tasted it. It is delicious. I made us each a large salad, and we're going to split a sweet potato. And I'm not real sure on Tim's plate where he has room for one little sliver of steak, but I'm sure he'll make room.
That's okay. It won't be on there long.
Well, that's true, but you're not planning on eating out of this plate, are you?
Oh, maybe. That's a good idea.
This is our anniversary dinner, and we also wanted to wish our subscriber Mary Raybon and her husband happy anniversary. They have the same anniversary we do, but they've been married 2 years longer. Happy 25th anniversary, Mary.
Wow.
Thank y'all for
big one.
Thank you for your support. Hope y'all had a happy anniversary. This is our dinner Monday. It's Tuesday night, and I have made my second attempt at crunch wraps. This time I bought the proper ingredients, burrito-sized tortillas and tostados. I tried them in an air fryer. You'll see a video about that coming soon. I also made some homemade tortilla strips from the leftover tortillas in the air fryer, some of our homemade creamy guacamole, and pinto beans. So that is a repeat of a couple weeks ago, but we still had a lot of the ingredients on hand, the queso fresco and some other things. So we're gonna enjoy crunch wraps again on Tuesday.
Yay, crunch wraps.
Tim just got in from playing golf. He's excited. Ole. Wednesday, I was wanting some comfort food, so I made my mom's chicken pot pie. It has a self-rising crust that you pour on top. Wednesday night, I have made chicken pot pie. I was feeling something different for salads, so I made more of a harvest. It's cheddar, walnut, and apple with a homemade honey mustard vinaigrette. And we still had a sweet potato left from Monday's steak and salmon fest, so we're splitting that. And chicken pot pie is what's for dinner Wednesday. It's Thursday night. Apparently I forgot again with the planning that it's pie day, 3/14, so we're having leftovers. Did you have any kind of pie? Pizza pie, cherry pie, apple pie? Leave us a comment and let us know if you did anything for pie day. Thursday night is leftover night in our house, so we are working on the taco leftovers. Tim's made a wrap and he's eaten the last of the beans, and I actually only ate half of my crunch wrap. They're much larger, made from the burritos, and a lot more bread, so I only ate half mine the other night, and a little avocado salad on the side. So Thursday is leftovers. It's Friday afternoon. I'm gonna make some coleslaw to go with our shrimp and fries tonight, since cabbage was on sale this week at Kroger. Being Southern, I usually make a mayonnaise-based coleslaw, but this time, feeling like we need to eat a little healthier, so I'm just gonna do an oil and vinegar one. I'm just gonna cut up some cabbage, add some red onion and chopped carrots, a pinch of sugar, some dried mustard powder, salt, pepper, and some oil and vinegar. I'm trying to observe seafood or meatless meals on Friday during Lent, so I had a pack of C-Pack shrimp from Kroger I had bought, so I did shrimp and fries in the air fryer. Friday night, we've got the shrimp and the french fries out of the air fryer, the coleslaw that I made earlier in the day, and I also made some homemade tartar sauce to go with it, and Tim had ketchup, not with sriracha this time, just regular ketchup, and that was our Lenten Friday meal. Saturday, I'm going to attempt to make an early meal for St. Patrick's Day. I'm going to try to make these easy Reuben sandwich slices since I don't make corned beef. If you watched our grocery video, that was the question of the day this week. I did buy some corned beef and some Swiss in the deli at Kroger, and I've got these new Pillsbury crescent dough sheets. So I'm going to try to layer it up. The recipe actually calls for 2 rolls, so it's going to make a full size. That may be a little much for the 2 of us, and I also think with the amount of meat and cheese that it asks for, it's going to be really thin on the filling, even though it's got a lot of sauerkraut. But you do need sauerkraut, Thousand Island, corned beef Swiss, and a few other things. I'll leave a link to this recipe, and I'm going to play with it a little. This may be one thing that I have to make this year and next year before we figure it out, but we're going to attempt to make an easy baked Reuben sandwich today for St. Patrick's Day. The first thing I did was drain the sauerkraut. The original recipe calls for a can of sauerkraut with caraway seeds added. We're not big fans of caraway, so I just used a plain sauerkraut, drained it as best I could. I had not worked with these crescent dough sheets yet. I wasn't sure how big it was going to roll out to be. I decided to go ahead and use the top and the bottom layer. The comments at the website, the Pillsbury website, said it probably would work better to toast the bottom layer first, and I wish that I had done that. If I make this again, I would put the bottom layer in the oven for about 5 minutes, but then you layer on the Thousand Island, the sliced corned beef, the sauerkraut, and then on the top layer you put some type of a mustard sauce, put it all together, fork the edges, put an egg wash on top, and top with sesame seeds, and bake it in the oven. And Saturday we observed St. Patrick's Day a little early. I made us a salad each to go with these baked Reuben slices. They turned out pretty well, like I said in the prep. The only thing I would do different is go ahead and bake the bottom layer of the crescent roll dough to make it a little crustier. They were a little soggy on the bottom. It did not bother us at all. We really liked them, and Tim said he would definitely have these again. So that's going to wrap up another week of What's for Dinner. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel, Let's Cook, y'all. Hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Have a wonderful and truly blessed day, y'all. See you in the next video.